Hello, and thanks for dropping in. I left this Commodore 64, which was the board that I got at the World of Commodore, up here with the Des Test Max in it, testing away. And then I went downstairs and I came back. And it was doing strange things with the cartridge in. So I said, oh, well, I'll just take the cartridge out and see what I see. Well, it's still mighty strange. So indeed, this board that seemed to be perfect and seemed to be fine, is not. So there's something else. But I'm just looking around here and thinking, what could it be? Maybe I'll go to that site called Visible 64 and see. Maybe I should put my finger on some RAM chips and support chips and see what we see. And usually we're looking to find something that makes me say, ouch. But I don't find anything at this moment. Woo! The video chip is hot. Woo! Beastly hot. Well, I think what I'm going to do at this moment is turn this off and let it sit and let it rest and try again. See if we can recreate this. Anyway, thanks for coming. It's always exciting here in the TV room. You just never know what's going to happen. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.